Hi, all. Josh Legard here from Kickofflabs, the audience growth platform. I've got a really quick tip for you today, and this comes from one of our customers. How can I tell if leads are reading the emails I've set up as part of my campaign? There's really two ways to do this. The first way, if you're talking about a specific lead, is to go to the leads tab and then find the lead you want to look up. You could search for them. In this case, I'm just going to click on one of the leads. And then you can look at the timeline. So we've got these tabs at the top of lead: timeline, referrals, their score. And if we look at the timeline for a lead, you can see a history of all the way back from when they signed up to we sent an email to we sent another email to, oh, they opened an email. So this is an hour later after they got it, they opened the email. And you can see every time they've opened and received an email on an individual lead basis. And so this is a great way to check whether or not individual leads opened or received an email. Keep in mind, of course, open rates are subjective to their email client supporting it. Not all email clients will report back and say that something was open. That said, a great way to just spot check and see if an email was sent and if they should have received it and if they've opened it. Then campaign level, if you want to look under the reports tab, if you've got the business plan with Kickofflabs and you scroll down, are my campaign emails effective? You can see how many emails were sent over this time period and what the open rate is. In this case, I haven't sent any emails recently. And then you can see which emails have generated the events. You would see a live campaign, you'd see maybe 100 emails sent. You'd see the open rate of those emails and which emails are being opened over here under the reports tab. That's all for today. Hope you enjoyed this quick tip on how to see if people are opening your emails for your giveaway. Thanks. Have a great day.